guys! Today I'm making a super easy craft, a couple of animal-themed coffee mugs, some donuts, and newspapers. Thanks to all of you who tagged me on Instagram and show me your crafts. And kids, do be sure and ask a parent for help before starting this craft. The donuts are painted pony beads, using either a mixture of yellow, white, and brown, or simply painting brown. And once dry, turning them over and using puff paint for the frosting. And before that dries, to create sprinkles, I simply color paper and cut into tiny little pieces. Next up are the newspapers. Cutting Edge LPS News. I printed on paper, and you can find the printable on my website, rainbowtwinklesworld.com. Score and fold. And for the donut box, I print this on cardstock. Score on all of the lines for easier folding, and assemble. And finally, for the mugs, I'm simply using chapstick lids. For the Panda, I use a black handle. And acrylic paint for detail. And for the dog mug, puff paint for the ears, acrylic paint and marker for the base. And finally, just filling it with a little bit of brown Model Magic for coffee with creamer. And guys, you are so totally good to go. Well guys, I sure hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks guys!